India imports a large volume of manufactured goods from China. But in June 2026, another side of the trade story gained attention. India's engineering export to China jumped nearly 74%. According to EEPC India data, India exported $361.47 million worth of engineering goods to China in June 2026 compared with $208.14 million in June 2025. During the April to June quarter, engineering exports to China crossed $1 million, registering growth of over 72% compared with the same period a year earlier. This is important because engineering exports represent manufactured products, not software or consulting services. The wider engineering basket includes products such as machinery, electrical equipments, metals, automobiles, auto components, and industrial equipments. However, the published country level data does not provide a detailed breakdown of which specific products caused the increase in export to China. So, it would be incorrect to attribute the rise to one particular industry. China is one of the world's largest manufacturing economies. Growing engineer exports to this market could indicate that India manufacturers are finding a demand in highly competitive industrial ecosystem. It also supports India's effort to move beyond exporting raw materials and service towards selling more manufactured and value-added products. But the number needs perspective. China was not India's largest engineering export market. The United States remained the biggest destination in June, receiving engineers' goods worth approximately $1.95 billion compared with China's $361 million. The trend is relevant for engineering companies, industrial manufacturers, metal businesses, electrical equipment makers, and export-focused MSMEs. But investors should watch whether this growth continues across several quarters, which products are driving it, and whether companies can convert higher exports into stronger margins and cash flows. India's engineering exports to China are growing rapidly. The bigger story is not one month's number, it is whether India can build a sustained position as an exporter of manufactured and engineering products to some of the world's most competitive markets. Follow Chola Securities for more such information.
This content is for informational purposes only. None of the companies, products, or sectors mentioned are recommendations.